Mabuti pa ang Japan, naisip ang Pangulong Duterte na palayain, nanawagan sa ICC na palayain na ang matandang Duterte. Pero ang ating Pangulo, wala. Sabi nga niya, mahiya naman kayo. Panorin.
I now give the floor to the representative of the International Career Support Association.
Thank you, Mr. President. I stand here to denounce the grave injustice. Lodoligo Loa Duterte, the 80-years-old former president of the Philippines, who bravely fought illegal drugs to protect millions, has been unlawfully removed from the homeland and held in the prolonged pretrial detention by the ICC in The Hague. This is a critical persecution and not justice. The current administration extradited him without due process, bypassing Philippine courts and violating national sovereignty. He was extradited without any due process. Incidentally, since March 11, 2025, exactly 1 year ago today, this elderly leader has endured detention, separated from family and serious health issues. Global rallies and protests in The Hague and throughout the world demands the interim release, which has been unlawfully denied by the ICC 3 times. This over 1 year pretrial detention raises profound question about compliance with the Rome Statute's guarantees of human treatment and speedy trial. It is an affront to human dignity and the abuse of international justice for political ends. We urge this Council to demand humanitarian review and interim release of President Duterte. Justice must be fair, not a weapon against the people. The majority of the Filipino voice will not be silenced and depressed. Thank you very much.
Mabuti pa ang Japan, ang mga Hapon ay naaawa kay PRRD, nanawagan ito na palayain ng ICC. Mabuti pa ang mga Japan, mga Hapones, may awa, may puso para sa ating kababayang Pilipino nga ipinakulong doon sa dahig sa ICC. Sila'y nanawagan na palayain na ito. Pero itong ating Pangulo sa ating bansa, ang tigas ng mukha, hindi na naawa sa dating Pangulong Rodrigo Roa Duterte. Walang pagmamahal sa kapwa Pilipino. Nasaan na ang konsensya mo, BBM? Mabuti pa ang mga simpleng mga ordinaryong Pilipino may pagmamahal sa dating Pangulo. Pero kapag ikaw siguro ay nakulong, tingnan natin kung may milyon-milyong Pilipino na maawa sa iyo. Sana mabuksan ang puso mo at isip mo na matuto kang magmahal sa kapwa mo Pilipino, lalo na sa nagdaang Pangulo, sa nagiging Pangulo na pinalitan mo. Kaya sana, BBM,
mahiya naman kayo sa inyong kapwa Pilipino.